So how's your baking experience so far?
Good.
You enjoying yourself, Jasper?
Fine.
You helping out there, Big J? Is that stuff going to make it onto the frosting? Or onto the cakes?
That's good.
JJ, sit down before you fall off your thing. Wow.
Here. My hands.
Yeah,
At least it tastes good.
it's very true.
No!
Alright, are you ready to eat them? You ready, Serena?
Yes.
Alright, take your bites. Pick a cake and eat it. Shove the whole thing in your mouth, Jay. Did you like it?
No. No, that's for Mommy.
That's fine. That's fine. You can eat it. He's obviously taste testing.
Maybe
Was it good?
When he's taking an NAP, we can do this again.
Well, he finished the alphabet for you. Can you go get me a wet wipe so I can clean his hands? Thank you. How's it taste, Big J?
Where are they?
On the floor in there. Is that the frosting mix?
What?
We'll make more in a little bit.
One more? Here.
How about we make more tomorrow? Oh yeah.
Black one.
We'll make that one later, okay? Did you like the cake?
Here. Black one. Black one. Black one.
Yes, we'll do that one, okay?
Okay. Not right now.